Hello, first graders. Welcome to your math lesson. We are still working on Module 18. Please get your books ready for the next lesson. Bienvenidos a tu lección de matemática. Por favor, ve y busca tu libro para seguir con Módulo 18. Lesson 4. Say it with me. Today I can. Tell time to half hour and hour. So in this lesson today, we are going to be doing both the half hour and the hour because we have learned so much already. Let's start with a quick math warm-up. Which does not belong? Look at these clocks. Which one does not belong? Explain to your family at home why you think so. Mira los reloj. ¿Cuál es el que no va? ¿Cuál no pega con los otros? Well, let's take a look. I see on the purple clock that the minute hand is pointing to the 6. Okay. Do you see that? On the blue clock, I also see the minute hand pointing to the 6. And on this digital clock, it's also pointing to 30 minutes. So what's different on this green clock? Looks like nothing's pointing at the 6, and instead the minute hand is pointing at the 12. So I would say that this green analog clock is the one that doesn't belong because it is not showing half past or half hour. This is the clock that does not go. Okay, so looking at this page in your book, let's step it out. Let's read together number 1. Devin eats breakfast at the time shown. What time does he eat? The time shown is the beginning of the hour. Let's look at that little clock. Where does the minute hand point? Where do we see the minute hand? It points to the 12. Where does the hour hand point? The hour hand is the shorter hand and it's pointing at the 7. So what time is it? The hour hand is pointing at the 7, and when the minute hand points at 12, there are 0 minutes. So that makes it 7 o'clock. Pause the video if you need more time. Looking at number 2. Devin eats lunch at 12 o'clock. This one could be tricky, but at 12 o'clock, the minute hand we know has got to point at the 12 because there are 0 minutes, so it has to point at 12. But it is also 12 in the hour, so the hour hand points to the 12. Now on B, let's draw the hour and minute hand to show 12 o'clock. The minute hand points at the 12 and the hour hand points at the 12. That makes it 12 o'clock. Exit ticket. Here's your chance to show what you've learned. The hour hand points between 1 and 2. The minute hand points to the 6. What is the time? You will draw the time on the analog and digital clock. La manecilla de la hora apunta entre 1 y 2. La manecilla de los minutos apunta al 6. ¿Qué hora es? Representa la hora en los dos relojes. Make sure you take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. Asegura tirarle una foto y enviarlo a la maestra en Class Dojo. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for joining us on this next video for Module 18. Please make sure you tune in tomorrow for their next work. Muchas gracias por habernos acompañado en este próximo video de Módulo 18. Asegúrese de buscar mañana el próximo video. Muchas gracias.